The town of Knightdale is excited to celebrate the opening of our new splash pad. This splash pad is a wonderful addition to Knightdale Station Park, which continues to expand recreational and leisure opportunities for our residents and visitors alike. Our splash pad is 2,000 square feet of family-oriented fun that is accessible for all visitors. This uniquely designed amenity has 20 sprayers for all ages. You will see a steam engine water tower behind me that highlights Knightdale's roots as a railroad town. There's an additional 1,500 square foot deck with shade features to help keep you cool during those hot summer days. We are excited about this day, and I know these kids are waiting to have fun. Are we not? Yeah. All right, so are we ready? Yeah. Let me hear you scream. Are you ready? Yeah. Let's open up this splash pad.